fresh mountain air? Or would you want to pee on a magazine? Or rename an entire town? Well, brands have done these absolutely crazy things to grab your attention. Today, we are diving into the most bizarre and weird marketing tricks. But they're smart as well, because they actually worked. So hello and welcome to Bosswala English. I am Tanisha Sharma and let's talk about these weird and smart marketing ideas. So the first one is Vitality Air. What if I tell you that people literally bought air in a can? A Canadian company called Vitality Air started selling mountain fresh air in cans and sold it into most polluted cities like Beijing. And you know what? The cost of one fresh air can was more than a bottled water, and it sold out in just days. It started as a gag but turned into a viral business idea. So it proves that sometimes you don't need a product, you just need a crazy pitch and you got a business. Second, IKEA's pregnancy ad. IKEA Sweden took advertising too seriously. They ran a printed ad in a women's magazine that said, "Pee on this ad, and if you're pregnant, you get a discount on a crib." And seriously, that ad had a inbuilt pregnancy test strip, like the real deal. Sounded weird? Definitely. Did it work? Absolutely. It even got global media coverage for its weird but smart marketing idea. Third, Half.com. So in 2000, an e-commerce company called Half.com convinced a whole town to change its name from Halfway to Half.com. So a town in Oregon was actually named after a company, a brand, Half.com for a year. Basically, the company wanted attention, and this trick definitely gave them the attention. It was on top headlines. Media covered it, and people actually went to that town to take interviews. And it got so famous that within months, eBay bought that company for $300 million. Fourth is Burger King's Google hijack. Burger King once ran a TV ad that said, "Okay Google, what is the Whopper burger?" That triggered thousands of Google Home devices at every single home where the TV ad was played. And that devices started reading Whopper's description out loud. Google was not happy with this, so they shut it down. But the internet, that went wild. And Burger King got millions of publicity for free for just running a few seconds of ad. Fifth is Red Bull's space jump. In 2012, Red Bull actually sent a man to the edge of the space and made him jump. Felix ascended 39 kilometers in a balloon and skydived back to Earth, breaking the sound barrier, all branded by Red Bull. And it became the most watched live stream at that time with over 8 million views. A jaw-dropping stunt that made everyone remember.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Sixth, KFC's kitchen-scented products. Would you want your living room or your bedroom to smell like fried chicken? Well, KFC thought you might. So they launched chicken-scented candles and chicken sunscreen and even a chicken-scented fireplace log for your holidays. And the log sold out in just hours. People loved it. Or they just wanted to show it off on Instagram. Anyways, KFC got free marketing for itself. Seventh, Netflix spoiling piracy. So Netflix decided to scare pirates in a savage way. They put up a billboard warning, "You pirate, we spoil," and listed real spoilers from popular shows like Stranger Things and House of Cards. That's brutal, but it wasn't just funny. It was effective. A clever trick to protect their content with fear marketing. Next, Brewdog's equity for punks. Brewdog, a UK-based beer brand, did something wild. They launched Equity for Punks, a program where fans could buy shares of that company for just a few bucks and get free beer benefits. And you know what they gave it? Cheap stock, lifetime discounts, and parties. They raised millions and created one of the most loyal brand communities ever. So next time someone tells you that marketing is boring, tell them that how you can even sell air or make someone pee on a magazine. And also show them this video. But before you go, let me give you a tip. If you are thinking of starting a business or want to earn more money from your business or don't know how to strategize your business, you can download Bosswala app. There you will have 500 plus courses that will teach you everything that you need to know from starting a business, marketing your business, strategizing your business, and learning each and every single thing about business. And that too you can learn from successful entrepreneurs through video courses or one-on-one video calls as well. So what are you waiting for? Go download Bosswala app now. And And remember, sometimes the weirdest ideas turn out to be the most smartest one. Anyways, this is it for today. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.